Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Today we have to see the important things the inside the windings. The previous classes we are having a lap winding, wave winding. Inside that lap and wave winding, we are having a simplex lap winding, duplex lap winding, triplex lap winding, and a quadruplex lap winding. There are 4 or 5 different types of windings having. So let us see a simplex winding. What exactly going on there? Before you understand simplex, duplex, and triplex and quadruplex windings, it's keep on going on there. So you have to understand the lap winding, wave winding. Those are not clear lap winding, wave winding, please watch and lap and wave winding video, then come back to this, you can understand very clearly. Next, I should draw a lap winding. First I should draw, it's better to understand, I am drawing or telling over here. Here I should draw now a simplex lap winding, simplex progressive lap winding. I should draw simplex progressive lap winding. First one by one will come. A lap winding I should draw. So to draw a lap winding, later I should take a first conductor. After this first conductor we are going to connect sixth conductor followed by yours. After this a sixth conductor, a lap winding means you have to connect and go here and come back to here. The simplex lap winding is nothing but next this conductor of this loop should come, it should be connected to a first slot. After this slot, if you connect it like this, it's go like this, it's keep on going on there. This type of winding, I told you, lap is over, lap winding is over, it's keep on going there. Then after that progressive winding means you have to connect your next conductor to after this connector. After first conductor you can connect second or third or fourth, does not matter. It should be connected progressive manner. If you connect the next conductor of this connected to the first of this conductor, after the first then after connect next conductor. This type of winding is called as a simplex winding. Once again I am repeating. Lap winding means, I think you know the loop things is required. Like this you go, come like this and go like this if you go. This is a lap winding. So in the case of lap winding, like this you can go. Progressive, I told you, you have to after the first winding, the second winding conductor should be in a forward direction. Forward direction. It should be progressive winding. It's very clear. After this, a simplex progressive winding means you have to connect this after the second, first connect, after that next only how to connect. That only simplex winding. If you connect by default, after this, if you not connect, if you connect in such a way, or if you connect like this, example, this is lap winding and progressive winding, you are going in a positive fashion, but it's not a simplex winding, it's other winding. So if you connect, the next conductor should be second of this after the first conductor, the connection should be going on there. If you see here, what is the difference in winding pitch? A 2 minus 1 here, 2 minus 1 equal to winding, so winding pitch is 1. This types of winding is called as a simplex progressive lap winding. Am I clear? If you wanted to go for a simplex retrogressive lap winding means this you connect back. If you go back side after the first, if you connect 20 conductor, next one, that's simplex retrogressive lap winding. It's very clear. So simplex means after that first conductor, next conductor only how to connect in a positive fashion. If you connect positive, progressive. If you connect in a backward fashion, it's a retrogressive. Simplex is very clear. Next, what is a duplex winding? So duplex means it's very simple. Once simplex you understand, the duplex thing is very simple. Next, duplex. The duplex winding is very simple. This thing is over. These things it must be same. Okay. So we are showing only lap winding example. So this thing is over. The first conductor I told you, you need to connect after the first conductor. Second only how to connect. But in the case of duplex winding, this conductor should come, connect this after the first conductor leaving, second you connect. Duplex means is 2. First slot is after the first slot, it is not the next slot. Second slot is going to connect it. Then go like this. This type of winding is called as a duplex progressive lap winding. Check it out. Lap winding means This loops is clear. Next, progressive means you are connecting in a positive fashion. It's very clear. Duplex means after the first conductor, you go into second conductor. After this, not only first, second. Once you leave, go to second slot of the conductor. This type is called a duplex progressive lap winding. If you wanted to go for what is the winding pitch 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1, it becomes 2. Which comes in a duplex progressive lap winding. If it is retrogressive, if you want, this you connect the comb like this into 19th conductor. This comes under retrogressive lap winding. It's very clear. Next, if you go for a triplex winding. So now it's very simple. Now you are very masters how to draw connections. Once things is very clear, if you watch videos very clearly, you can easily do it. So triplex winding, I think we can very easily expect. So triplex means it's very simple. After the first thing is over, this is a lap model is over. Progressive things you can connect in positive fashion. Triplex means the winding should be pitched to 3. 1, 2, third slot you connect. It should go like this. 1, 2, 3 like this. This type of winding is called as a triplex progressive lap winding. Lap winding means loops is clear. Progressive means in a positive y direction. Triplex means you have to connect after this a third slot. 1, 2, 3 third slot. If you wanted to, what is the winding pitch will take place? 4 minus 1. It becomes 3. The winding pitch is 3. It's nothing but a triplex winding. Triplex progressive winding. It's very clear. So this thing also works. Progressive, simplex, duplex, triplex. Next, quadruplex. It's very simple. So I think you people are not required my explanation. You can do your own. So you can do and check it out. The things it should be correct or not. So you can do your own. So it's very simple. After this, you need to connect in the fourth slot. 1, 2, 3. Fourth slot. You can connect like this. Then go like this. After this, 1, 2, 3. Fourth slot. Like this will come. This comes under lap winding is very clear. Progressive means in a positive direction you are connecting. Triplex, quadruplex, right? Quadruplex winding. Fourth one. 4. So what you have to do, it's very clear. 6 minus 5. I'm sorry, what is this? The winding pitch will take place, right? Here to here, how much will take? 5 minus 1. It should 4. Quadruplex winding. So this is what a simplex, duplex, triplex and quadruplex. If you want to go 5, 6 slot, they can go in that. For a 4-pole machine, we are giving that. Up to that, we have to understand simplex, duplex, triplex and quadruplex. Here I told you all lap windings only I was discussed. So it should be possible wave windings also. Same thing. Next I told you only progressive. It should be possible for retrogressive also if you connect a backward fashion. So this is what a simplex, a duplex, triplex and quadruplex windings. Lap winding or wave winding, progressive, retrogressive. I think I made it very clear. Okay now, the next class we have to discuss a single layer winding and a double layer winding. Next singly re-entered and doubly re-entered winding, that will discuss next class. So those are having a doubts, lap wave, please watch in the previous videos lap wave windings. I think very clear. Thanks for watching. If you like my lectures, please subscribe to our channel. Links will come to your mail IDs. You can enjoy the things. Thank you.